Fellows, yeah, welcome to Wood Engineers. And it's been cut here. This is 4 feet by 6, and this is 2 feet, 2 feet by 6. So I'll be making the compartments and the arrangements. Now it has been cutting. These are the parts. These are some of the parts too. So it's going to pass through processing. Then you see the next format. And as you can see, this one and this one is one. I've combined it. Then I frame this one too. Then I put this one on top of this one. So that's how it is. Take a look at it. I've cut this ½ inch into 10. So I'll be putting it on this one. I'll be putting it here. It has been stickered to be put on top of the wall. This one. Okay, now I've put in the strips on it. You see, this is how it looks. So I'll stand it up for you to see.
Let's close shop and go. We are doomed, totally doomed. This another say 30 million. We are going to support you. Number one, you 50 million.
I say your name in the church. I say your name outside. Oh no, I love you, I love you.
Yeah, it has been bind together. You see, this is how it is. Yeah. You see, we are not done. Subscribe, comment, and share.
Ama, light now, so. Just what I light now, so.
From Monday, Tuesday, what time is you?
Não posso.